Okay, so as long as I had this up, let me show you guys this. This is a, uh, I have a Prius, and was away in New York for a week. The car is about 9 years old, so I think the battery is probably on its way out. When I got back this morning, I could not start the car. It had all this weird lights, error messages, all this stuff coming on, but it did not say actually that the battery itself was the problem, but clearly something was wrong. So this morning I ordered this from Amazon. It's the Weego Jump Starter 22S, and I saw a review on Wirecutter, right? So this was the cheapest one. It was $60, and purportedly it can jumpstart a car, and it's actually and it worked. So the point of this is actually that it worked, but also that it's really actually pretty neat. So this is the base device right here, and you can see that it's just a little bigger than a pack of cards, and it charges via micro USB, just a regular. Well, I don't know if that's going to show up in focus, but it's a regular USB port. And when I got it, it was nearly full. I charged it for about 20 minutes, and it was full. So it comes with this bag, and all it is basically is these two pieces. So you have this, and you have this, and you kind of you sort of put this into here like that. And so I already actually I was going to say booted, but I restarted my battery with this, and you can see that even though I did that, it's still like 4/5 full. I guess I could start the car again, like probably another 3 times or so, if I needed to. So all you do is these are just pretty much standard clamps, and this goes in the positive, and this went on like the metal piece in the car. Then after I did that, after a few moments, this turned green right here, and that was it. Then I started the car, and I wish I had recorded that moment because it was actually pretty cool that it worked. Yeah, and then I think to charge that back up will probably take about not more than 20 minutes. So yeah, this. And then it's made to be carried around in the car. So I'm not sure how it would do with larger cars, but I would highly recommend it for the Prius.